If I could have a phone conversation with my freshman self, I would tell her to get ready for all the opportunities that SVSU has to offer. Get ready for all the new friendships you're going to make and learning outside of the classroom as well as in, playing 4.5 years of awesome competitive college golf and developing relationships not just in the classroom or outside of classrooms but also within the athletic department. There's so many people who have helped me along my way at SVSU. I've made many great relationships with professors, coaches, staff. Dr. Anisha Goganini, she's one of the engineering professors that got me into SWE, which is the Society of Women Engineers. Coach Joe Vogel and Coach Matt Pumford and Coach Daniel Allen have all helped me a lot with my golf game. Also, President Bashant, the president of the university, is awesome. He has personal relationships with us and also has always had a personal relationship with me, asked about school, golf, everything, and just all these, there's too many people to name, but all those people have really given me a great experience at SVSU.